take off. Alright. Then I'm gonna go ahead and make this guy follow me. See if Karma can follow me. About right there. Okay, 16 feet. Okay. You can see it. And then play.
3, 2, 1.
Is that high enough? Holy crap. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and raise it up just a little bit just to be sure. How about right there? That's good enough. It's plenty, but we're gonna go ahead and see. No controller needed. You gotta watch out with these trees here. So Karma's following me. On a boosted board. Woohoo! See how big trees there. Holy man! Okay, GoPro. Don't fail me. It's following. Wow. Surprised. Oh wow, it's a thing with it. It's a bump. Is following. Wow. You see that? A Nafi drone? Look, Karma did a better job. Woo! I can just dance. Woo! And it's still following me. Wow. Following me. Wow, it's really sunny too. Dang. Alright, you guys can see it. Woo! I'm going full speed. I'm gonna go ahead and slow down. See if he can stop. Ah. And he stops. Wow, amazing. Wow. Alright, we're gonna do another follow me mode here. Okay, let's go ahead and do. He's too close to. Yeah, it's too close. Again. Okay, he's not low anymore.
Tap play to start follow.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Karma is following.
Alright, this is about low too. Let me see if I can affect the trees. So we're gonna go and see. And it's windy. Alright, I'm gonna raise it up. I'm gonna have it about right there. Oh, he's all the way out there. Let's see. Go ahead, Karma. Follow me. Full speed. man. Golly. I'm hauling ass. You can see Karma still going. He's about right there. You can see it. Wow. Do his job following me. Woo! It's a Bob! Ah! Wow! Look at this, guys! Man! He just follows and don't make mistakes like DJI drones! This active track is already you gotta retouch it again or he lost you. But look at that! Woo! Awesome. I'm in full speed. Karma's still following me. See, I already know the trees are pretty much lower, so yeah, so you don't really need obstacle avoidance if you know your direction you're going. Wow. But I'll totally recommend it, you know, but with Karma, he's smart enough not to go too low. So, got it done. Impressive, impressive, guys. Impressive. Wow, let's see if we can go a little bit lower. Yeah, so you can't go low. That's it. All right. Now it's recording me forward. So now I'm going forward. So now you can see the trees. Interesting, interesting. And then you can just raise it back up if you want to be safe. So you just gotta know your surrounding. And like I said, it's simple, man. I'm surprised. You know, you just gotta make sure it's not low enough. And like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. And hey, look, even though there's a tree there, even though you're hiding, he can still get you. Look, I'll be back out. See, because he got by the controller. Whoa! Wow! Smart. Awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go over here and go from here. Now I'm gonna do this manually.
Ascending to the same height soon. Guide Karma around obstacles and other lands.
Wow, you heard that?
Karma's battery is very low.
Woohoo! Oh wow. I've flown Karma without my phone, and I'm just surprised just using this controller, because I guess I'm a DJI for a while, so I'm so used to using the controller to do flight modes. With Karma, everything all set. You don't really need a smartphone. So man, I'm having a good time. So what do you guys think, man? I'm just having a blast with this boosted board, and you know, riding around with Karma here, and you know, using my GoPro cameras. See, when I'm done flying, you know, I can take out the camera and I can still do this. So what kind of drone can do that right now? There's only few, and the big drone can even do that market yet. When is their handheld gimbal? Wow. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and go from here.